Me first?
You guys gonna have Savannah driving for you today.
Hello.
Hi.
How's it going? Awesome. I'm great, thank you.
Get to drive around in this.
Yeah, it's hard not to have a good time ripping this thing around.
It's very roomy.
Yes, yeah, a lot of space.
Oh, look at that.
Down at the bottom.
And I'll have you throw a seatbelt on for me, please.
Yeah, I gotta put your seatbelt on next time.
No cup holder down there?
I think there is.
Oh wow, this is nice.
We're gonna do a slow roll here. I'll have you get your seatbelt on for me.
Seat belt on, Xavier. Come on, hurry up.
Okay, hold on.
I know, I got it.
Is that yours?
Oh, is that yours?
Is that your toy?
Perfect. Have you guys ever been in an electric vehicle before?
No, this is the first time.
There's two buckles there. It'll be the one closer to your hip.
You got it.
Okay. Awesome.
All right, here we go.
My name is Savannah, and this will be the new fully electric Lightning F-150. It is dual motor, all-wheel drive, and it goes 0 to 60 in about 4.5 seconds. We don't have quite enough room to hit 60 here, but I can give you a good idea of what it's like.
Okay.
Okay, get ready. Woo! Oh man.
That'll wake you up a bit, right?
Wow, that's got some punch.
Yeah. Definitely moves for a truck this size.
Yeah.
Almost
Seems to handle well too.
feels more like a roller coaster than a truck, right? It's pretty crazy. I think what impresses me the most about these trucks is just how much torque they're putting down. It's about 775 foot-pounds of torque with the all-wheel drive. They have so much traction, you'd almost never even know it.
Even the pros have the same torque, huh?
Yeah, yep.
Nice.
Alrighty,
Well, what do you
short
think,
and
honey?
sweet.